everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. Oh my god, you guys, it's time for another wig for the spooky season. Yes, and this time
it came from Spirit Halloween.
Yes, I recently went back there and I saw this wig and I don't know why, it just sang to me. Maybe because it's called the Tempting Tresses. It looks suspiciously like Billie Eilish's hair. But I want to try this wig on and I want to style it because I love the spooky season and nothing says spooky season more than green hair. All right? It's the time of year where everyone's wearing crazy colorful hair and I want to be one of them. Okay, so far not so bad. It looks a little thin. Oh, yeah, she's thin. But the hair quality is not bad. I feel like it might be actually pretty good. But, turn it inside out. The track numberings. Oh, there's actually a good amount of tracks in this. Normally it's like 10. This is actually pretty good. Okay. Well, this is fun. Spirit Halloween stepped their game up this year. Again, I got this from the newer wig selections. Like, I haven't seen this one there before. So this is a brand new wig that they got this season. So let's try out the latest Spirit Halloween fashions from this season, shall we? I'm going to try this wig on and I'll be right back. Welcome back. I'm making mischief. Yeah, I feel like one of the misfits from Gem and the Holograms, but I like it. This is a nice wig. Okay, like on the bag and on the head. This is actually kind of sickening. Like she's slaying. You just play around with the bangs a little bit. But this is like a nice punk style. Like dress up with some hairspray. You got something cool going on here. Yeah, this is not bad at all. Okay, all right. Yeah, again, the hair quality is actually pretty decent. As far as the Spirit Halloween wig goes, this is some of the better hair we've had for a while. Yeah, this is, again, the latest in Spirit Halloween fashions. Look at this design, this new wig design, as if it was the Raquel Welch collection at Spirit Halloween. Yes, this one would be called
Pollute the Swamp from Raquel Welch.
Yes. Oh my gosh. She has some toxic vibes and I love it. I actually am really excited to style this wig. We should get on that. Let's style her up, shall we? Welcome back. Okay, we have the wig all pinned on the head. This is her. This is the Tempting Tresses from Spirit Halloween.
It's Tempting Tresses from the Spirit Halloween Fall Collection.
I miss the Raquel Welch wig collection videos. Every time she had a new collection, she would personally model all of the wigs. And she looked so fucking proud of herself in every wig she had on her head. Just a good old grimace like that. Oh, I miss it. That's one of the things I really wish we still had. Oh, R.I.P. Miss Raquel. Even though it'd be like one hard front wig would cost you half your mortgage. It's so expensive. I wonder what they're going to change the name to. Do you think it's going to still be Raquel Welch Wigs or maybe like Raquel Wigs or Welch Wigs? I wonder if they'll still call it Raquel Welch. Kind of like how Ava Gabor Wigs just became Gabor Wigs. You know, it's always sad when they take away the name. Like, she built that empire. Keep it there. All right, as I tease through this, it's not as much height on top as I'm hoping to get because it's very short. So we might get like a very spiky, gorgeous ladies of wrestling kind of do, which could be fun too. I might just play around with that. Let's just brush through the ends. We can create like a little spiked look like that. I think that could be kind of interesting and fun. We're going to take it in sections though. Oh, honey, when I tell you, I am so excited for the spooky season. I haven't decided what my Halloween costume is going to be this year because, well, I have nothing to do for Halloween this year. I don't have a gig or anything, and no one's invited me to a Halloween party, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I might just dress up and do something here on YouTube or something, just because I can feel like I did something. I'll trick or treat here on my own. Oh my God. I think I figured out what we're going to do. Wiglets, if you're listening, Wiglets, if you're listening, we should have a costume contest. We could do like a special Wig Wednesday, or maybe like figure out some kind of like way to tie it in with Halloween. So we can have a Halloween costume contest. And like you can post the pictures on Discord, right? And then we can decide who wins the Halloween costume contest. And I'll come up with a prize of some sort. Something within my reach. Like a Mr. Beast candy bar or something. Or I'll have Sponge give somebody $1,000 because he's super rich. I'm just kidding. But we should do a costume contest. What do you guys think? Unless you're not joiners. I might be all alone in this idea. I'm actually not mad. It's kind of cool. And that's it. And we're done.
Peter Car's like, could go punky with it.
Oh, for sure. That's exactly what's going to happen right now. She kind of looks like Suzanne Barsh with green hair. Here we are. Let's just keep going with this. I'm going to keep embracing the punkness of it. Like tease the root and then leave the ends like long and kind of like punked out like that. Oh, hell yeah. That's really fun. Okay, let's just keep that up. Just keep embracing the mess. When I see hair like this, it makes me think of like those old punk singers from like the 80s, like the really kick-ass ones. Who was I? I was telling my drag daughter Bryce about this. I was trying to tell her like ideas for different characters for impersonations, right? I was saying, you should think about doing Wendy O. Williams, like from the Plasmatics, because she was such a character. When it comes to like impersonations, you always want someone that's a big character. And with her, it's like she was anti-authority, she was a punk singer, and she had a distinctive voice where she kind of talked like this. Like imagine it, you know? Anytime someone tries to tell you what to do, you can just act like a bratty child, like a bratty punk child, like dialed up to 11. Like, I ain't writing nothing down. You don't tell me what to do. Call him a pig. I'm loving it. Oh, cool. All right, let's look in the back. Let's see what we can do with the back section here. It's very much giving like it's not a phase, Mom. Punk is forever. When it comes to like the fiber quality on this, like it's definitely a costume wig fiber, but with this kind of layering and everything, it's really working out in its favor because it's very, very stiff. So like all the stuff I'm leaving out is making it look more like a style. Like this is super cool. Like check it out so far. Like I would usually have to fight with like any other wig fiber to get to do this and like probably have to hairspray the crap out of it. But like this is a hard front and it's so like dense and this like fiber is so stiff. It's really maintaining it. I would never try and curl it, but it's maintaining what I need for this. They said, you want a punk hairstyle? Here you go. It's kind of giving Monster High. Is Icy here? Icy, does anyone from Monster High have hair like this?
Well, PlayStation said, this is kind of giving Scene Girl from Monster High.
Is there a Scene Girl? I really hope there was. I think Scene might have been over at the time Monster High became popular. But something tells me like it's very Monster High, which I live. I've never seen it, but it just looks cool. And I appreciate anything that's cool. So far, so good. Also, little Jimbo. Jimbo would wear hair like this a lot. But I'm just kind of embracing the chaos in this right now, and it's really working out. Little Lydia Dietz as well. If this is black, it'd be Lydia Dietzy. Now, I wonder, like, did you guys ever watch The Gorgeous Ladies of Wrestling? I, like, caught it here and there. Because, again, like, I only ever saw, like, reruns of it. Or, like, that WoW show, Women of Wrestling. But, like, I remember always really liking the aesthetics of it all. Especially, like, the characters like Jailbait and, like, the really punk ones. They're supposed to be, like, these, like, bad, like, punk kid characters. Like, they're always the heels that had, like, the punk looks. And they had that really rad show where they did the narrative show Glow with, that one girl from Together. I forget her name. But I really liked it, and I was bummed it got canceled. Oh my God, that wild-ass documentary where it was the first time I saw, like, Matt Simber after, like, the Jaymes Mansfield documentaries because he was, like, the director of that show. And just to come to find out, oh, so he's, like, always been an asshole. Like, no one has a good story to say about him. Yeah, the fiber is not the best, but it's really doing its job for what I need it to do. Like, something tells me the second I get out of my head, it's going to itch like crazy. But man, does it look cool.
5 minutes later.
Okay. Here's where we are so far. All right. I'm going to tease the rest of this, and I'll be right back.
You're not done?
No.
Oh.
I still got to style it.
I thought it was a style. I would rock it like that.
All right, welcome back. I have it all teased out, and it's looking pretty cool. I just got to fuss around with the bangs quite a bit because they don't really give you a whole lot of bangs. So I'm going to try and, like, marry those in as much as possible so we have, like, a style. For the most part, this is actually a really nice wig. Like, it had just the right amount of, like, lengths and layers so that you can make something cool with it. Normally, it's, like, absolutely a pile of nothing, just, like, shit. But this was actually really pretty good. Would I necessarily rock this wig on my own? No. But it's definitely a character wig. Let's hairspray it. Hairspray and hope. And then just go through with our hands and really make it rock.
I want rock.
Okay. Yes. Okay. I'm so excited. I love these stupid 80s punk hairstyles. The stringier and grosser we can make it look, the better. Even more appropriate for the spooky season. It's giving Return of the Living Dead. It's giving Linnea Quigley about to get eaten alive by zombie, like living dead people. Yes. Heck yeah, dude. Okay. That, and then that, and like that, and like that, and like that. I'm gonna turn around. You guys tell me what you think, because I think it looks super freaking rad. Or what's the word? It's gnarly. How cool is that? Oh my God, if I were in the 80s, I would think this was like the coolest person in the world. They'd be a poster on my wall, okay? This is the kind of hairstyle like the cool friend in the Slash movie's gonna have. And like they get pulled in through the bed while they're sleeping. Or like a Nightmare on Elm Street with that one punk girl and she ends up like getting the needles jammed in her arms. Oh my God. I am going to try on this wig because I think we're done. Let's come back with the final result. Welcome back. This is the final result. And dang, this is only one wig. Like, this is a really good wig, Spirit Halloween. I think they had this one also in like red as well. Like you get a red variant, but this is actually a really nice one. Okay. Tempting Tresses. This is nice. I don't know what this costume would be, but truly, if you need something like this, there it is. I guess like the Misfits from Jem and the Holograms. That's what it's giving right now. So there you are. Which one of the Misfits would this be? Is it like Stormer? Which one has the green hair? Let me know down below. Educate me. I don't remember the villains from that show. I only remember Jerica and Synergy and Jem. Can I name the rest of the holograms? Aja, Kimber, and the rest. Yes. Oh my gosh. But I have to say, this wig is totally Jaymes Mansfield approved. Okay. Come on now. Spirit Halloween did their big one with this. This is cute. This is from their new Halloween collection at Spirit Halloween. So yeah. I'm feeling spirited. I'm ready for the spooky season now. Who'd have thought it just took going through like 3 shitty wigs to get to one good one? And we have a few more left from this, so stay tuned. We have more ooky spooky wigs to come. Now, before I go, I have to take a moment for my wiglets. Roll it! I have to give a thank you to my wiglets. However, guys, we're nearing almost 100 wiglets. I'm not naming all those names, okay? My name is not Destiny's Child. I will not lose my breath. So instead, I will sing you a little wiglet song. Impromptu, a cappella. Here we go. Thank you, wiglets. You are the lights of my life. I love you all, and some more than others. I thank you for being with me and your continued support. And if you unsubscribe from being a wiglet, just know I'm gonna hunt you down and find you. Thank you so much, wiglets. And oh my God, here's to our community spotlight. Look at them. Look at my community. Thank you so much for all your wonderful comments. Oh my gosh. And if there's a spooky Halloween wig you want to see, or one that you saw you want me to style, be sure and leave it down below. I am always listening. And remember, this styled wig will be available at jaymesmansfieldbeauty.com. Just go to that website and head over to the used wig tab, as seen on YouTube. Now, I know what you're wondering. What is it giving? Come on, wiglets. Tell me what you see. What's this wig giving?
Daniel Jackson said pizzas had the green hair in the Misfits.
Pizzazz. You say pizza?
Yeah, well, that's how they wrote it. Pizza.
Oh, it's pizzazz. I like that, though. I like that name better. Pizzas. Stormer and pizzas and whatever her name was.
Foxy Cinnamon says you're giving Alien Elvira.
I was just going to say it is kind of giving Elvira right now, like 80s Elvira kind of tease. Like she used to have like her hair up like that, like short and like layered, like a mullet. All right. And I know what you're asking. What does this wig look like turned around? Should I turn the wig around? Sure. Let's do it. On the side, it's kind of cute. It's like Cyndi Lauper. I just looked at that like, oh my God, it's totally Cyndi Lauper. In the back, how's the back look?
That looks good.
Yeah, this is like probably the best it's going to get. Because if I turn it around, it's just going to be cousin it in front of my face. This is what you're supposed to do. It turns into Cyndi Lauper when you put it to the side. And just like that, you got 2 costumes. You can go from Jem and the Holograms to Cyndi Lauper. I should do Girls Who Just Want to Have Fun this weekend for brunch. Oh, ideas. I'll turn around a little more just to indulge people so they can see me look stupid. To the side, not too bad either. Same thing, just different side. Yeah, this is going to be the best it's going to get. Now it's more seen. It's a textured, layered, asymmetrical kind of hairstyle now. Ooh. This kind of rocks even harder. Oh, shit, I forgot which one's the front. There's the front. Okay. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all in the live streams. Bye. Now hit the outro. Click here and watch my iconic video where I style a Walmart premium wig. Or watch my latest YouTube video. Come on, click it, you know you want to. If you don't click it, you're gonna hurt my feelings so bad that the day I die, I'm gonna embody like an evil doll and come and haunt you. So click it.
Wiggle Wednesday.